In this video, we will animate this water that you see on the screen from a still image. Let's go. Okay, here we are inside of After Effects. I already prepared the project file, so I'm gonna drag this here so that it creates a composition with the size of the image. I'll press Shift and slash so that it fits to the screen, and then I'll duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D and then press Enter to rename. I'll call this mask. Do the same for the other one, enter, call this original. So we rename this mask because we are gonna mask the water. So I'll press G to select the pen tool, or you can go up here and then just create a mask around the water. You can zoom in, take your time to make a better selection if you want, but I'll just quickly do it here so that I don't waste too much time. Roughly like that. And if I hide this original, you can see that we have our mask here. So next we want to create a solid. Ctrl Y to create a solid, call this noise. And then we'll go to Effects and Presets, select the noise layer, type in fractal noise. Double click on it to add, and then we'll change this noise type to spline. And we'll go to transform settings, we'll uncheck this uniform scaling, and then we can play with some settings here. So you can just increase it like that. And this one, we can play with the look of it until it takes the look of the water, something like that. So we'll make a composition out of this. I'll press Ctrl Shift C to make a composition. We can call this noise and check this one. Move all attributes into the new composition. Click OK. And then we can move this down here. We'll go to our mask and then go to Effects and Presets, type in a displacement map. Double click on it to add to the mask. And we'll change the displacement map layer to noise, and we can increase the max horizontal displacement to 10. If we increase it way higher, you can see what happens. So just a little bit, we'll keep it at 10. And if we increase the vertical displacement, you can see what happens. We'll keep this at 5. So next we wanna go to inside of this noise composition, select the layer and go to transform settings, and we'll animate this offset turbulence. So set a keyframe on it here at the beginning and go to 10 seconds, and then we can increase the value of this. So increase the value, both X and Y values. Let's take a look. Something like that. And if we go back to our main composition, I'll press slash and shift and slash actually, so that it fits to the screen. We can take a look. So here the water is alive now. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.